Your brain is remarkable. It's adaptable, resilient, and capable of growing stronger at any age. Today, let's talk about simple, powerful ways to keep your memory sharp and your mind thriving. Here's something wonderful. Your brain can form new connections throughout your entire life. This is called neuroplasticity, and it means it's never too late to improve your cognitive health. The choices you make today can help keep your memory strong and your thinking clear. First, let's get moving. Physical activity is one of the best gifts you can give your brain. Even 30 minutes of walking most days increases blood flow to your brain, helping memory and thinking skills. Dance, garden, swim, or practice Tai Chi. Whatever brings you joy and gets you moving counts. Next, nourish your mind with brain-healthy foods. Think colorful. Berries protect your brain cells. Leafy greens provide essential nutrients. Fatty fish, like salmon, supports brain structure. Nuts and olive oil fight inflammation. Your brain loves good nutrition as much as the rest of your body does. Keep your brain curious and engaged. Learn something new, a language, an instrument, or a craft. Do puzzles and play strategy games. Read books that make you think. Join a class or discussion group. Every time you challenge your brain with something unfamiliar, you're building cognitive reserve. Human connection is brain medicine. Meaningful conversations, laughter with friends, and quality time with loved ones all stimulate your mind. Stay socially active, volunteer, join clubs, call a friend. Your relationships literally help keep your memory strong. Don't forget rest and relaxation. Your brain consolidates memories during sleep, so aim for 7 to 8 hours nightly. Manage stress through meditation, deep breathing, or activities you find calming. A rested, peaceful mind remembers better.